funny picture. Can I see that picture again?
Oh, you want me to show it on Curtis?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, 1 minute.
Actually, feast your camera on it, so actually.
Are you stuck? No, officer. I'm delivering a bridge. I'm delivering a bridge. Are you stuck? No, officer. I'm delivering a bridge. That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Are you stuck? No, officer. I'm delivering a bridge.
Yeah, they get stuck underneath the bridge. You gotta deflate the tires.
Trucks are really big.
Yeah. And actually, that's why you have there's something called the can opener bridge down in North Carolina.
Yeah.
That cuts the top off the truck, so that way, when they got to get towed out of there, it's easy for the wreckers to get to like extract them underneath the bridge. That's a common case.
Yep.
Even
Hey, Matt.
Boston.
Yeah, trucks get stuck underneath bridges because they're big. That's why.
Yeah. And the bridges are low too.
Yeah.
Low cluster.
Oh. Hey, we have another friend. Yeah, so I'm on that lane right there.
Yeah, lane 3.
Okay. It's recording.
Yeah, I see it.
Look at this. I'm gonna bowl. I get a lot of strikes when I bowl.
Don't jinx it. Just nix it. Not a bad shot. All right, you got to throw it down directly in the middle on the dot. Right at the middle pen. Just like aim it and just slam the middle one down and you'll get your spare. Oh, nice. Yep. That's a spare that you can get easily.
Yeah.
Not split.
Hey, Andrew, how do you think this bowling game's gonna go? Good? Think it's gonna go good? You dancing? Cool.
All right, Andrew, you're on this one over here.
I'll take it.
Pinball, Jess. Was he there yesterday?
Actually, believe.
Eric, run and hit in the middle. No, I was just saying run and hit that and just roll it down the middle 100 miles because you'll get that strike. All right. You got the right side imploded. Right down the middle, 100 miles. Ah, one straggler.
I've been bowling for a long time.
Try not to do what I did. All right, the right pin's got to drift into the left one. Whoops. Ah. Yeah, if only that other pin fell, it would be a lot easier.